Hey you guys, it's Denise Walsh here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one thing I try to do every morning that makes my day so much better than when I don't do this, right? So by the end of our time together, I'm going to share with you one way that you can start the day off with a bang and it will impact and have like a domino effect on the rest of your day too. But before I jump right in, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I release a video. All right, so this is a part of the Dream Life Daily Journal, which will be released in the next 4 to 6 weeks. Next month sometime. I don't know quite yet, but I'll share when I do know. You'll be the first to know. And every morning I start with a gratitude game. And once I got my author copies, I have been using this every single morning as my morning routine. And in fact, I seriously love it. That's why I created it, right? Is because I realize this is my habit and it really impacts me. It helps me to see the world differently, to view myself differently, and to stay focused on my highest priority at the time. So I have felt a shift in my spirit since I got copies of this and have been utilizing it every single day consistently. So I want to share with you why I choose to do a gratitude game first and then one of my favorites so you can practice today as well. So first of all, we know that like attracts like, right? And when we're thinking positively, when we're believing positively, our eyes see more positive things, our emotions follow, and it just is that domino effect throughout everything in the day. And there's a lot of cool things to be grateful for. You can be grateful for relationships, your family. You can be grateful for purpose and peace. You can be grateful for work and, progress. I mean, there's a lot of cool things. Nature outside. You can be grateful for your home. I mean, right? We really do have a lot to be grateful for, even when we're having a hard day. And so one of my favorites that I just did this week that impacted the rest of my day, it was cool. It was cool. Okay, so it's called It's My Lucky Day. Here's what it says. Decide that today will be an awesome day and that you are a luck magnet. And more than you ever thought possible, good things are happening in your life. Describe everything that will go right for you today. So then I spent some time writing down what my agenda was for the day, like what am I going to do today? And then I talked about all the things that are going my way, all of the things that are perfectly lining up for me. I'm a luck magnet. Things are just happening and I think, "Oh, well, thank you. That was helpful." You know what I mean? And so throughout the day when I was going through my normal routine and I took my boys to school and then this happened and then that happened, I went to the grocery store, I worked out, I talked with friends, etc., that was in the back of my mind. And I kept replaying. I'm a luck magnet. I'm a luck magnet. Whatever can go right will go right for me today. And to be honest, I don't really remember anything magical happening that day. But what I do remember is that my emotions were elevated. I was more chipper. I was joyful. I remember actually I took our cable boxes back to the store because we just got rid of cable, which if you haven't done yet, seriously think about it. We saved over $200 a month and we hardly were using it. So I took them back to UPS to ship them back to the cable company. And as I'm walking in with my boxes, first of all, someone goes, "Oh, do you need help with that?" Then two other people opened the door and said thank you. I mean, it was overly kind. People looking at me in the eye and saying, "May I help you?" And good morning. And just, it was really cool. Not that that is a game changer for my day, but I can tell you, I thought, wow, I must be really radiating positive energy for people to be giving that back to me right now. So when I start my day with a gratitude game, when I choose to open my eyes to what's already going well in my life, more of that comes. So I am just determined that when I can, I'm going to do that. I'm going to play around with this gratitude idea and start my morning every single day with it. In the Dream Life Daily Journal, there's a new gratitude game every single day for 30 days. So it's really fun to kind of poke and peek peek is the word, peek into different areas of your life and shine light and gratitude into it. So I hope that this has been helpful. If you want more free resources, then check out my podcast called Dreamcast. Tons of amazing, inspiring interviews. And then if you haven't done so already, please download, there it is, the Dream Life Action Planner. You can go to denisewalsh.com/action and it will be sent directly to your inbox. And the Action Planner is designed to give you legs on your dreams, help you get clear on what you want, pick one to then focus on, and then prioritize it in your calendar so you actually get things done. Having a great day. Thanks for tuning in.